In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customer email in QuickBooks. This is the email address your customers will use to contact you, and it's the one that appears on your sales forms like invoices and estimates. It's also connected to your business network profile, so keeping it accurate helps customers reach you quickly and keeps your brand consistent everywhere they see your company. Let's walk through it together. Start in QuickBooks and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon to open your settings. In the menu that appears, find the Your Company section and select Account and Settings. This is where you control the key details that show up publicly on your forms and in your company profile. Once Account and Settings opens, make sure you're on the Company tab in the left sidebar. This tab holds your general company information. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Customer Contact Info. In that section, you'll find the customer email field. This is the address that prints on your sales forms and tells customers how to reach you. Click Edit, which looks like a small pencil icon, to make changes. Now simply type the email address you want customers to use. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, especially the domain, so messages don't bounce. Many businesses use a shared inbox for this field, something like a general support or billing address, so that multiple team members can respond promptly. If you're switching to a new inbox, make sure your team knows to monitor it so no customer inquiry slips through the cracks. When you're confident the email is correct, click Save. QuickBooks will store the change right away. From this point on, the new email will appear on your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, and it will be reflected in your business network connection. That means customers who reply to your forms or look up your business will be contacting you at the updated address. If you don't see the customer contact info section at first, confirm you're on the company tab and scroll down. Some screens collapse sections by default. And if you're unable to edit the field, you may need the appropriate user permissions, so check with your admin or the person who manages your QuickBooks settings. That's all there is to it. By keeping your customer-facing email current, you make it easier for customers to get help, pay invoices on time, and build trust with your business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep your settings up to date to save time and avoid missed messages.